Hello, good morning. How are you doing? Very good. My name is Chiranjeevi and I work as a director at a company called igebra.ai. What is that? igebra.ai. Does anyone know what is AI? Brilliant. Okay. But what is artificial intelligence? Can anyone define? Can try. Dealing with robots, very good. Smart machines, I like that. Robots, okay. Please raise your hand first. What did you say? Okay, what is artificial intelligence? What do you know? Machines. Anyone else? Robotics, okay. Machines that are capable of doing human activities, very good. Technology, okay. Okay, so shall we see some machines that are intelligent now? Would you like to see? Okay. Oh, yes. Control. To control gadgets. Okay. So I will talk about AI a little later. Let's show the mid journey. Do we have any artists who paint things? Do we have any great painters here? Or at least average, not great. Very good. Acha. Oh, okay. So what do you draw generally? What is that? Sketches. Okay. Let's say if you want to draw this room as is, how much time it takes? 1 day? 1 hour. Exactly. All the faces. 3 to 4 days. Okay? Let's open it. Discord. No, actually, let's. Now I'll show you a machine which is equipped with AI, which can create images in less than 10 seconds. Whatever you want. Excited?
Yes, sir.
Anything. Okay? It's up to you. What do you want to create? Anime characters, okay? Not just one. Define it clearly so that it creates. What is it? Virat Kohli, okay? But don't just say names. Create the entire description. For example, you see an example on the screen. So what was the prompt? A dog with a long head, long tail, and wearing a headphone, playing football with a fire background. We asked for it and it created in less than 10 seconds. Shall we test this now? What do you want to create?
Elephant is standing on.
An elephant standing on 2 feet. Can you add more properties to it? With headphones, okay? Hearing? Wearing clothes, wow. Shoes also? Okay. Okay. Okay, let's try till now and see. Yes, we'll try that later. Okay? In a circus. Okay? Okay, it is processing. It is thinking now. It is thinking. Okay, let's see what happens. We got some pictures. Did you like it? Which one? Third, second one or third one? Second. Okay? So how much time it took?
10 seconds.
Less than 10 seconds or 5 seconds. But what exactly happened behind the scenes? Can anyone imagine? Not internet. It was not from internet. It wasn't existing anywhere else. Freshly created for us. Right. So ma'am typed commands or text. It got translated into something and it created. But how? With the help of machines. But how? Software. But how? By using gadgets. How? What is that? Combining pictures. That's very good. 1 zeros. Okay, translated into machine language. That's fine. But how? Imagine. How does it know that it has to create this? AI. But how? Okay. So that's what we are going to learn today. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we'll talk about it. But why are we here today? Data and AI talks. We want you to talk about AI. You may ask a question, we don't know anything about AI. You can talk because you have a great mind, brain. Right? You are creative, right? Who all are creative here? Everyone is creative. Okay? But we need to think. Right? So I'll ask the same question at the end of the session. Right? So we can imagine. Can you imagine? Can you imagine the universe? The planets? An elephant there? Standing on 2 feet? Wearing a red jacket? Headphones? You are creative, right? Yes. The same thing has been done by a machine. Right? So let's learn how it works. Then you will understand how to come up with ideas. Okay? Are you ready? Let's start the process. So what is our goal now? We want to create an intelligent system. Okay? So what is intelligence? Are you intelligent? Yes. How do you know?
By using it.
By using it. Wow, I really liked you guys. So what's your name?
Ready? Ranil Vishna.
Good. Right? We all are intelligent, but at different levels. Some of us, yes, some of us have high IQ, some of us have a medium. That's fine, but we are intelligent. Okay? But we invented so many things. We invented computers. We made computers. They have been doing mobile phones. We invented internet. So many things. And then we thought, why not invent a machine that thinks? A machine that thinks. A machine that learns. And we have been successful, the humans. Okay? So do you know any intelligent machines? Sophia? Okay, that's a humanoid. What is that? Robo. It's fine. Mitra. Not just robots, there are so many things in the world. Any intelligent machines? Smartphones? Alexa, yeah, Alexa is the right example. Google. Google is okay, that's a search engine. Siri, yes. Anything else? Alexa, yes. Autopiloting car. What's your name? Very good. Chat GPT. Wow. Have you used it? Satellites. Okay, okay, okay. So you guys know something. Very good. Right? So today we'll see how to build an intelligent machine. Okay? Are you interested? It's a very small thing, but I want you to understand it. Based on that, you can build any machine in the future. Why do we build machines? To make our life easy. Easy. So to save our time, very good. According to our necessities, we want a machine to, okay, save our time, take care of the boring tasks, repeated tasks, so that we can focus on something big. Right? The machines are already doing a lot of work for us. Right? So we identify a need and then we build a machine in the future. We're not building now. Okay? But we can think. Right. So if you want to build an AI machine, you can use this process. Okay? You may not understand it right now, that's fine, but I'll take you through the process. Okay? So what is step number 1, you see? We'll start with the first step, data collection. Did we collect the puppies and big dog photos? We have the data. What is the next step? Did we classify them into 2 groups? Puppies and big dogs. Number 3, so let's find a model. We found a model. There is something called as teachable machine. You can also use it later from Google. Okay. So we identified a model which can process the images. Okay. So next step, model training. We need to feed the data now into the system and then train. Okay. So we are feeding the big dogs photos now to the system. Right. We are uploading a bunch of big dog photos. And we're also uploading puppies photos. So what do you think is going to happen next? Right? We have fed the data. Now we are asking the machine to learn from it. Okay, we are training the machine. Click it. So it analyzes the shapes inside that picture. It analyzes the patterns. Okay, all are dogs. All have heads, all have tails, all have body, blah, blah, blah. So many things it will automatically understand. We're not programming it. Programming is level 1. Right? If you want to create anything, programming it is only a small thing. But making the machines learn is a big thing. Okay, we're not teaching anything, so we're not asking it to do. It is automatically doing. That is what is called intelligence. Okay, now the machine is ready. What's the next step? Shall we test it? Right, that's it, as simple as it. Okay, so shall we show a small puppy to it? Not the testing. Okay, okay. Oh, very cute, right? So what's the response we got? It has identified it as puppy. We didn't tell. It automatically identified. Let's try with a big dog from the regular data. Right? It automatically identified it as big dog. I know this is a very small, minute example. Imagine the same thing at a very big scale, like the whole data from a country, okay, or the world, the universe. The machines are able to process such things now. That's how the Chat GPT works. Can anyone tell how it works now? Oh. Can you come here so that everybody will listen? So what's your name?
Soumya Soni.
Okay, yeah, please.
First, we will feed the photos of big dogs and small dogs, that is puppies, and we will ask the computer itself to identify the similarities between the both. Then it will identify the difference between the big dogs and the puppies. And then after analyzing it, he will find some similarities in big dogs, some similarities in small dogs, which are not common in both of them. Then after, when we will test it, whether it is identifying them correctly, then at that time he will find for these similarities. If it is similar to a big dog, it will name it as a big dog. If it is similar to a small puppy, then it will name it as puppy.
Very good. Okay, so she explained how this was working. That's wonderful. Can anyone talk about Chat GPT, how it may work based on what you have studied? Imagine. That's free. Right? It was fed the data that was available openly in the world. It has been a big process for years. Right? And then what happened? It learned the connections. Right? But it was not easy. They had to use very big models called large language models. We also call them as LLMs. Right? How we use the small model, they used a very big language model, right, which can understand the language. Previously it was only understanding the keywords, but now it can understand the meaning of the language, it can understand the context of the language. Okay, so that's how it can process our commands and then search, find the information and put it in the right way, in a very precise manner, and then give it to us. That's how the Chat GPT works. It is still getting trained, right? The next version is going to come. What is the current version? 4. The 5 is going to come. that is going to be even more dangerous. Means positively. Okay? The 4 itself is becoming more effective with additional plugins. Right? One intelligent system can connect to many other intelligent systems. Okay? That's fine. But what is our deal now? You know how it works now. Right? So is it giving you any ideas? Hey, I can make this. I can make an AI system. Just imagination. Do you want to make a system which can do a job very well, which can help you? Any thoughts? What is it? Massage AI. Wow. That's a wonderful idea. So what's your name? Yeah, so that's a very unique idea. Can you imagine a robo massaging based on your health condition? Okay. Brilliant. Next. AI doctor. Right? It automatically tells you what all the problems you have in your body. Very good. Next. Yes. AI cooking. Wow. We all need it, right? So we just tell the robo, hey, cook biryani, Hyderabadi biryani. It will make the biryani. Oh. AI for hacking big companies. Wow. To check if somebody has weapons. You guys are thinking very good. Yeah, more ideas. AI? What is that? AI caller, yes. Right? Currently we are making calls and we are fixing appointments. Imagine that your bot will call. Okay, a bot will receive there. Right? Very good. More ideas? AI? AI police. Wow, brilliant. AI as a teacher. It will help you, teachers. It will help you. Okay, nothing can replace teachers. Okay? AI as nanny. Wow. Oh yes, there are robots already doing. There is a hotel full of robots serving. Yes, the Tony that you have in the sample, have you studied? Is similar to that. Okay? Yoga teacher. Wow. Right. Very good. Advertising AI. Facebook has recently released. AI?
Making money.
AI making money. That's the ultimate thing. Okay? Good. AI doctor. So now I see, yes, I see that you are all very excited, right, to participate. So let me explain how it works. First, you will be registering. Oh. AIS cab service. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Now in the future we will not have drivers, by the way. Okay? All are AI based. News reporter, okay? Yes, so yeah, I got it. I got it. You all have ideas. That's wonderful. Very good, very good. Now, how to participate? Okay? First step is registration. You all have the forms, registration forms? Not yet? Okay, our team will distribute. You will write about your idea. Even if it is a basic one, please input. Then later, you need to create a document like what you are seeing now. Right? Can you go through the document? Tony? Yes. Who can help me understand what Tony is all about? Can anyone explain?
AI powered.
Can you come here and talk about it? Yes.
Tony is AI powered pet, which is a better pet than normal pets because it has the ability, like, it has the knowledge for everything, almost everything, and it can teach small kids how to do their homework.
Very good. So why do we need to build Tony? Not over yet. Yeah. It's not over. Yeah. Let me ask you some questions. So why there is a need to build Tony?
Pets like Tony can help kids to understand some things which parents cannot teach because of lack of time.
Right. Yes. Very good. And what all the things Tony can do? You can read. Or let me read it for you. Okay. So it collects or talk to the kid like a friend, right? So that means it knows how to process the language, okay? And then understand kids' personality and adapt. It senses the kids' moods and understands, and then help the kid with learning. It knows what the kid needs to learn, which subjects, where he or she is, okay? And then finally play with the kid and tell stories, right? You like stories? You want a bot, you want a robot that tells stories? Just imagine, okay? So that's just imagination. Do you like that idea? So you can also think, this is only a sample. You can think creatively out of the box and then come up with your idea, and you just need to write a document like this. Okay? Will you be able to do that?
Yes, sir.
You need some research, right? Holidays are coming. You have a lot of time. Yes? Do the research? Yes. I'll tell you. Yeah, please. Right? Yeah, you can. Yes.
It also has students with social anxiety.
Absolutely. Social anxiety, what is that? Autism. Okay? So many things. So think of a problem and think of a solution which is based on AI.
Very archaeologist.
Yes. Okay? So you all have the sheets with you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can fill in the details if you want to participate. And if you have any idea right now, you can write. You can also submit it later. Right? Yeah. So whoever is interested, you will be added to a group. Okay? There you can submit the documents. So registration, I suggest as soon as possible, but you have time till April 30th. Okay? And later, once you submit your details, you will start working on the documents. You will also start interacting in the group. Okay? And we will help you. We will suggest you the changes. Okay? And we have a lot of time. We have time up to the end of the June. Okay? But don't wait till the end. As soon as you are ready, you can post the document. Okay? And in July, 1st to 25th July, we are going to come here again. Then, if your idea is selected, you will present that idea here in front of all the audiences. Right? and then your idea will be judged by your teachers as well as our team. Okay? There will be a each of the groups. So you are into 9 and 10 groups, right? So these two kids will be taken to the second level, which will be happening at a different school called NH Goel. Okay? There, kids from almost 15 schools, 10 to 15 schools will be assembling there, and again you need to present.
Sir, if in the level like in the school level, we select with one idea, and for the in the school level, we have another idea, so can we change?
No, you should present the same idea because you can improve it, right? You will have a chance to improve it further. Okay? So exciting. And in the final level, if you win, what will you get? Second, small. Those are all small things, but you get a lot of visibility. A lot of people in the world are going to see your creativity. Okay? This will be showcased at India level and also in the US. Okay? Whatever you are presenting, which is good. We need to promote ourselves, right? In the world. Otherwise, we will be ignored. Right? Yeah. So you have the document. Please fill in your details if you want to participate. Okay? And give it to our team. The idea, it may not be perfect right now, but you can participate. Okay? Even if you don't have an idea right now, you still can submit. Later, we will connect with you. Fine? Any other questions? Are you excited? So, very good question. There is a link for registration also. Can you locate? Where is the registration form? Yes. It's here. How to go to the registration form? From this page, scan it. It's a QR code. You scan it, you go to the form, you fill the form if you are doing it later. Okay? So this is a free event. No need to pay anything. Okay?